Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video, we're going to take a look at another feature of Slurpit, and that is automatic cleaning up devices. So let me go to devices first. We have a bunch of devices here, right? So the idea with automatic cleaning up devices is that we're going to either disable or remove the devices after some period if device finder couldn't find those devices anymore. So let's say we have this device here, and using the device finder, we found this device, but this device is not disabled. Let's say this device is currently active and running. So the device is online and running. But for whatever reason, let's say tomorrow the device was down. Maybe hardware issues, maybe interface issues or configuration issues. For whatever reason, device finder couldn't find this device anymore. So let's say the day after tomorrow we have the same problem. A week after we have the same problem. Eventually, we want to find a way automatically to remove this device from our devices section. Well, we can also disable it as well, meaning that the entry would be here. All the parameters such as operating system, device type, everything would be here, but the device is just disabled. We can also find a way to remove this entry altogether, so you're not going to see this device anymore here in devices. So in order to actually configure device cleanup, you go to settings, and in the general tab you're going to see these two options: disable devices and remove devices. So these two options are for cleanup, and the first option is disable, meaning we are going to only disable this device and not remove it. With remove, we remove the entry altogether from the database. And if I say 15 here or here, that means if device finder couldn't find this device in 15 days, then we're going to do something about it, either do this or this. So now let me show you how you can manually disable or remove the devices. You go to devices. So I scroll down, scroll to right, and either delete the device, remove it, or click on this button here, edit. And the only thing I need to do is to hit this toggle and the device will be disabled. So that was it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.